Stucco is one of the oldest construction materials on the planet. The earliest formulations date back to ancient Greece and Mayan Mexico. Stucco has stuck around, and as an exterior siding, it's come a long way. Modern stucco is more attractive and offers better protection. Whether cement or acrylic-based, stucco always starts out as a sticky paste. And that's the great thing about stucco. In this wet and gooey form, it can be worked as it's applied to the exterior of a building to achieve a variety of textures. It hardens to provide a tough exterior that shields the building against the elements. To mass-produce cement stucco, they start with tons of silica sand. They unload it into a conveyor and elevator system, which delivers the sand to silos for storage until needed. They select sand with various grades of coarseness for different stucco finishes. They mix it with cement, lime, and other ingredients to create the stucco base. A technician demonstrates how the ingredients come together using this research lab mixer. She blends all the ingredients dry, achieving a consistency that's similar to cake mix from a box. Cement stucco is sold in dry form. Water will be added to liquefy the ingredients on the job site. In this demonstration, she also adds pigment. With a stucco pre-colored, there's no need to paint the building. To mass-produce cement stucco, they use this mega mixer. The operator adds 3 or 4 different pigments to create a custom color in the dry stucco batch. Large paddle blades spiral vigorously. Usually this is a closed operation, but they've opened it up for our camera. After 3 minutes of mixing, the dry stucco mix is ready for scrutiny. An employee takes a sample and sends it to the quality control lab for evaluation. At the lab, the technician weighs the stucco mixture and adds water. He keeps an eye on the scale to ensure that the amounts are proportionate. He mixes them and visually checks to confirm that the pigment and raw materials are well dispersed. Acrylic stucco, on the other hand, calls for an entirely different recipe. They use calcium carbonate instead of silica sand, and acrylic as a binder instead of cement. They mix it with water and sell it wet in a bucket instead of dry. To color it, they use a computerized tint machine, similar to what you find in a paint store. They load the machine with liquid pigments and enter a color formula into the computer. It mixes the pigments to produce the exact color, and it releases the precise amount needed. They blend the color into the acrylic stucco, and the batch ends up looking like blue mud. It's now ready to apply to a home. No prep required. They also sell acrylic stucco with no color at all. It's called tint base. The pigments will be added on the job site where they can be adjusted if needed. An airtight seal keeps the stucco in its viscous state. Acrylic stucco dries quickly like paint, while cement stucco takes 28 days to totally cure into a more durable finish. Over on the cement stucco line, a rotating machine handles all the packaging. A suctioning device pulls a paper bag into position under a spout, which then fills it up. It takes just 8 seconds to fill a 90-pound bag. That works out to over 1,300 bags per hour, enough material for 30 houses. The machine transfers the bag to the conveyor belt. This stucco is now ready to provide a strong finish to building projects. Applied to a building's exterior, stucco can be textured to suit the homeowner's taste, and it will harden to provide the building with a tough skin. That's why stucco continues to be part of the urban landscape.